So how do you turn on the light notifications on an iPhone? Let's explain that. So if you are new on this channel, make sure you are part of the Foxtecc community so you never miss anything regarding your devices in the future. Anyways, on your phone, you can open up the settings app like usual, but you're going to go to the accessibility section of your phone. Inside there, scroll down a little bit, and part of the hearing section, you can find audio and visual. And at the bottom, we have the LED flash for alerts. So this is a toggle. There are actually three toggles. There is one at the top generally. When you have that turned on, whenever you are receiving a call or notification, the light of, next to the camera, the flashlight will just light up to inform you about it. And also there is the flash while unlocked or in a silent mode. So you can also change it for the different modes depending on your preference, right? So if you prefer it to also do it in the silent mode, then you can choose it in here. So that's where you can find it. Outside of that, we don't really have more settings for it. If you want to manage your notifications, you can find that dedicated menu in your settings, but this is only for like specific apps if they can or cannot deliver notifications, but it doesn't really have to do anything with the light anymore. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, but stay tuned by subscribing so you never miss anything important. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.